Welcome back, Coinology. When people think about valuable coins, their minds often jump immediately to rare gold pieces, silver dollars, or ancient treasures discovered in forgotten collections. Yet one of the most fascinating stories in modern numismatics revolves around a coin that almost everyone has seen, handled, spent, or perhaps even ignored countless times throughout their lives. The 2018 United States 1-cent coin, commonly known as the Lincoln cent or Lincoln penny, represents far more than a simple piece of pocket change. It stands as a continuation of one of the longest-running coin designs in American history, carrying over a century of tradition, symbolism, artistry, and national heritage. Although millions upon millions of these coins were produced for circulation, certain examples, especially those featuring extraordinary minting errors, exceptional preservation, or highly unusual characteristics, have attracted enormous attention among collectors and investors. Some stories circulating within the numismatic world even suggest that unique specimens could theoretically command astonishing prices reaching into the millions of dollars if they possess unprecedented characteristics, historical significance, or one-of-a-kind minting anomalies. To truly understand the excitement surrounding the 2018 1-cent coin, it is important to begin with the basics. The coin carries a face value of 1 cent, meaning it represents 1/100th of a United States dollar. While its spending power may appear minimal in modern commerce, its historical and collectible significance continues to grow. The 2018 cent was produced by the United States Mint, one of the most respected and historic minting institutions. The physical specifications of the 2018 Lincoln cent are remarkably precise. The coin weighs approximately 2.5 grams. This weight has remained standard for modern Lincoln cents produced since the composition change implemented in 1982. Prior to that year, pennies were composed primarily of copper and carried a different weight. Today's cent consists of a zinc core coated with a thin layer of copper, allowing the coin to maintain its traditional copper-colored appearance while reducing production costs. The diameter measures approximately 19.05 millimeters, and the thickness is around 1.52 millimeters. Despite its small size, every detail on the coin reflects generations of artistic development and national symbolism. One of the most recognizable aspects of the 2018 1-cent coin is the portrait displayed on the obverse, or front side. This portrait depicts Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States. Lincoln's appearance on the cent dates back to 1909, making it one of the most enduring coin designs in American history. The inclusion of Lincoln was historically significant because he became the first real person ever featured on a regularly circulating United States coin. Before 1909, American coinage primarily featured allegorical representations such as liberty rather than actual historical figures. The portrait seen on the 2018 cent originates from the work of sculptor Victor David Brenner. His design was selected to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. Brenner's depiction captures Lincoln with dignity, intelligence, and quiet strength. Over the decades, this portrait has become one of the most familiar images in American culture. Generations of Americans have grown up recognizing Lincoln's profile from the pennies that pass through their hands daily. Around Lincoln's portrait, several inscriptions carry important meanings. The word liberty appears to the left of the president. This single word represents one of the foundational principles upon which the United States was established. Above Lincoln's head appears the national motto, "In God We Trust." This phrase has become a standard feature on American coinage and reflects a long-standing element of national identity. To the right of Lincoln appears the date 2018, indicating the year of production. Beneath the date appears a mint mark when applicable, identifying the facility where the coin was struck. The mint mark itself is an important symbol for collectors. Coins produced at the Philadelphia Mint traditionally carried no mint mark for much of their history, though modern Philadelphia cents frequently bear a P on certain denominations while cents often remain without one. Coins struck at the Denver Mint carry the letter D. Therefore, a 2018 D cent indicates production at the Denver facility. Collectors carefully examine mint marks because differences in production numbers, errors, and rarity can influence value significantly. Turning to the reverse side of the 2018 cent reveals another important chapter in the coin's history. Beginning in 2010, the United States Mint adopted the Union Shield design for the reverse of the Lincoln cent. This design remained in use throughout 2018. The shield features 13 vertical stripes joined by a horizontal bar across the top. The symbolism reflects the original 13 states united under a single federal government. The shield represents national strength, unity, and resilience, making it a fitting emblem for the country. Above the shield appears the inscription E pluribus unum, a Latin phrase meaning out of many, one. This motto beautifully expresses the concept of many states and people coming together to form a single nation. Across the upper portion of the reverse appears United States of America, while the denomination 1 cent appears prominently below. Every element contributes to a powerful visual statement about national unity and continuity. Collectors often pay close attention not only to the design but also to the condition of a coin. In numismatics, condition can dramatically influence value. A coin that spent years circulating through commerce may show scratches, discoloration, dents, and general wear. By contrast, a coin preserved immediately after minting may retain its original luster, brilliant surfaces, and sharp details. Such examples are often graded by professional services using a numerical scale. High-grade examples can command significantly higher prices than ordinary circulated specimens. The fascination with coin grading stems from the reality that even common coins can become surprisingly valuable when preserved in extraordinary condition. For example, a typical 2018 cent found in circulation may be worth only its face value. However, a pristine example graded at the highest levels by professional grading companies may sell for substantially more. The difference highlights how rarity is not determined solely by mintage numbers but also by survival rates in exceptional condition. Another factor contributing to value is the presence of minting errors. Throughout the minting process, numerous mechanical operations must occur with incredible precision. Occasionally, mistakes happen. These errors can create coins unlike any others produced during a particular year. Error coins have fascinated collectors for generations because they offer a glimpse into the manufacturing process while simultaneously creating rare and unusual collectibles. Among the most sought-after minting errors are doubled dies. A doubled die occurs when the die used to strike coins receives multiple impressions during its creation process, resulting in visible doubling on inscriptions, numbers, or design elements. Collectors carefully inspect dates, lettering, and portraits for signs of doubling because significant examples can command substantial premiums. Off-center strikes represent another popular category of error. These occur when a coin blank is not properly positioned during striking. As a result, part of the design may be missing while the remaining design appears shifted dramatically. Depending upon the degree of displacement and the visibility of the date, such coins can become highly collectible. Broad strikes occur when coins are struck outside their retaining collar. Without the collar to contain the metal, the coin spreads outward, producing an unusual appearance. Clipped planchets, die cracks, cut errors, and strike-through errors each offer unique characteristics that attract specialist collectors. Every error tells a story about the minting process and provides evidence of a moment when production did not proceed exactly as intended. The possibility of a 1-cent coin being worth millions of dollars may seem difficult to believe at first glance. However, numismatic history contains numerous examples of coins achieving extraordinary values due to rarity, historical significance, or unique production characteristics. Although most 2018 cents are not worth anywhere near such amounts, the concept illustrates how rarity can transform ordinary objects into extraordinary treasures. Imagine a hypothetical 2018 cent struck on an incorrect metal planchet intended for another denomination, combined with a dramatic doubled die, flawless preservation, and unique documentation linking it to an unprecedented minting event. Such a coin could become a legendary rarity within the collecting community. Wealthy collectors competing for ownership might drive the value to astonishing heights. While such examples remain hypothetical, the history of numismatics demonstrates that remarkable discoveries continue to emerge decades after coins enter circulation. As collectors continue searching through rolls, bank boxes, inherited collections, and everyday pocket change, the story of the 2018 Lincoln cent becomes even more fascinating because it demonstrates how hidden value can exist in the most ordinary places. Every year, countless individuals discover that a coin they once considered insignificant possesses characteristics that separate it from millions of others. This possibility fuels a treasure hunting spirit that has existed within numismatics for generations. One reason the Lincoln cent remains so popular among collectors is accessibility. Unlike many rare gold or silver coins that require significant financial investment, pennies can still be found in circulation. This creates an exciting opportunity for beginners and experienced collectors alike. A child searching through spare change and a seasoned numismatic expert examining thousands of coins may share the same dream of discovering a rare variety, a major error, or a pristine example that stands out from the crowd. The year 2018 represents an interesting chapter in the continuing Lincoln cent series because it exists within an era of changing attitudes toward physical currency. As digital payments, electronic banking, and mobile transactions become increasingly common, coins occupy a different role in daily life than they did decades ago. Yet despite technological advances, the penny remains one of the most recognized symbols of American money. The sight of a Lincoln cent instantly evokes ideas of commerce, history, savings, and national heritage. Many collectors focus on mintages when evaluating potential value. The United States Mint produced billions of cents during 2018. Such large production numbers mean that ordinary examples are generally abundant. However, rarity often develops in unexpected ways. A coin may become rare because few survive in top condition. It may become rare because of a specific die variety. It may become rare because of a dramatic minting error that affected only a small number of pieces before the problem was corrected. Professional grading companies have transformed the modern coin market by providing standardized assessments of authenticity and condition. When a 2018 cent is submitted for grading, experts examine every aspect of the coin under magnification. They evaluate strike quality, luster, preservation, surface marks, eye appeal, and overall condition. The resulting grade becomes an important factor in determining market value. For example, a coin graded at a lower mint state level may sell for only a modest premium over face value. However, examples receiving exceptionally high grades can become remarkably desirable. Collectors assembling registry sets often compete intensely for the finest known examples. In some cases, the difference between two grades can represent a dramatic increase in market value. This competition highlights the importance of preservation and scarcity even among modern coins. The design of the Union Shield reverse introduced in 2010 carries symbolism that many people overlook. The shield itself traces its roots to historical representations used throughout American history. The 13 vertical stripes symbolize the original states, while the horizontal bar uniting them reflects federal authority. Together they create a visual expression of national unity. Every time a collector studies the reverse of a 2018 cent, they are looking at a miniature piece of American symbolism carefully crafted to communicate ideals that have shaped the nation for centuries. Likewise, Abraham Lincoln's presence on the obverse connects the coin to one of the most influential figures in American history. Lincoln guided the nation through the Civil War, preserved the Union during its greatest crisis, and played a central role in ending slavery through the Emancipation Proclamation. His image on the cent serves as a reminder of leadership, perseverance, and commitment to national principles. For more than a century, Americans have carried Lincoln's portrait in their pockets, making him one of the most frequently encountered. Collectors often examine 2018 cents under magnification, searching for unusual characteristics. Some look for die cracks extending across design elements. Others search for repunched mint marks, die chips, or subtle doubling. While many discoveries prove to be minor variations with limited value, occasional finds attract widespread attention within the collecting community. The excitement of potentially uncovering something rare keeps enthusiasts engaged year after year. The market value of a coin depends upon a combination of factors including rarity, demand, condition, historical significance, and collector interest. A typical circulated 2018 cent remains worth approximately 1 cent. Uncirculated examples may command a small premium. Error coins can bring significantly more depending upon the nature of the error. Exceptionally preserved pieces certified at the highest grades may sell for substantial amounts to competitive collectors. Stories about coins worth hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars capture public imagination because they transform ordinary objects into extraordinary discoveries. Throughout numismatic history, legendary coins have emerged from unexpected places. Some were found in old collections. Others surfaced in estate sales, forgotten safes, bank vaults, or inherited accumulations. These discoveries reinforce the idea that knowledge and careful observation can sometimes reveal hidden treasures. Imagine someone receiving a handful of change after making a small purchase. Most people would spend those coins without a second thought. A dedicated collector, however, might inspect each piece carefully. Perhaps one coin exhibits unusual doubling. Perhaps another displays a dramatic off-center strike. Perhaps a seemingly ordinary cent turns out to be an extremely rare variety. The possibility may be small, but it is real enough to inspire countless hours of searching. Another fascinating aspect of the Lincoln cent is its continuity. Since 1909, generations of Americans have interacted with Lincoln cents. Grandparents, parents, and children have all used variations of the same basic coin. Few objects connect multiple generations so consistently. Through economic booms, wars, technological revolutions, cultural changes, and political transformations, the Lincoln cent has remained a constant presence in American life. Collectors often describe coins as miniature historical documents. Unlike books, newspapers, or photographs, coins are tangible objects created by governments and used by millions of people. Every coin reflects the technology, artistic preferences, political values, and economic realities of the era in which it was produced. The 2018 cent represents early 21st century America, preserving a snapshot of national identity in metal form. Even the coin's composition tells a story. Rising metal prices forced adjustments in manufacturing methods over time. The modern copper-plated zinc composition balances tradition with economic practicality. Although the coin maintains its familiar copper appearance, its internal structure reflects changing financial realities and production considerations. For newcomers entering the hobby, the 2018 Lincoln cent provides an excellent educational opportunity. Studying the coin teaches lessons about American history, minting technology, grading standards, symbolism, economics, and collecting strategies. A single penny can open the door to a much larger understanding of numismatics and historical preservation. And so the remarkable story of the 2018 1-cent coin ultimately reminds us that value is not always measured by face value alone. A coin worth 1 cent in everyday commerce can hold historical significance, artistic beauty, educational importance, and collectible appeal far beyond its monetary denomination. While the vast majority of 2018 cents will never approach a value of $3 million, the dream of that enduring possibility is what makes coin collecting so captivating. Every penny has a story. Every coin has traveled through countless hands, witnessed countless transactions, and participated in countless moments of everyday life. Some remain ordinary. A few become exceptional. And on rare occasions, one emerges from obscurity to become a legendary treasure sought by collectors everywhere. The next time someone sees a 2018 Lincoln cent resting quietly in a coin jar, cash drawer, or pocket, they may look at it differently. Instead of seeing merely 1 cent, they may see a piece of history, a work of art, a symbol of national heritage, and perhaps, just perhaps, the beginning of an extraordinary discovery waiting to be made. That sense of possibility is the true magic of coin collecting, and it is why the humble Lincoln cent continues to capture imaginations more than a century after its introduction. The coin may be small, but its story is enormous, stretching across generations, connecting history with the present, and reminding us that sometimes the most ordinary objects can hold the most extraordinary potential.